Hello guys, today in this video we are going to review MDhair regrowth treatment. You should take any treatment on this platform or not. Does their treatment really worthy, or they are just making hype of their products? Okay, so basically when you visit on their official website, they are providing customized hair treatment. Okay, they just you just need to take any, you can like consultation, and they will identify your problems, they will analyze, and they will provide you customized, you can say like hair loss treatment. Okay, so basically these kind of treatments is very common in today's time, and there are hundreds of brands they are providing these kind of treatments. But I would like to tell you only one thing, like these kind of treatments only work in some conditions. Like if you have hair thinning problems, if you have any kind of hair thinning problems, and if you have these kind of conditions, like mild hair fall. Okay, so these kind of supplements will work. But if you have any kind of condition, like this kind of condition like bald scalp, and if you are facing lots of hair loss due to any kind of genetic issue, then these kind of treatments will not work. Keep this thing in your mind. These kind of treatments, even in the market, there is no treatment which can help. There is only one treatment, which is like minoxidil. You can use minoxidil and you can get rid of this kind of conditions, like this bald scalp condition. Okay, only minoxidil and redensil is only the option, only the last option we can say. Okay, so if we talk about like treatment you should take or not, yes, definitely you can take treatment, and but the costing is very high, and the subscription is also, you can is a very big issue in today's time. Because when you buy a product on these kind of websites, there is a subscription model also, and some customers are not happy with these kind of subscriptions, because if they want product or not, they have to pay fees in the form of subscription. And the treatment, when you buy any treatment, their treatment are customized, so you will not get any kind of refund. Okay, so keep these thing in your mind, and now if you are ready to buy the treatment, then you can try it. But keep in mind, if you have bald scalp, then maybe you will not get results. Okay, but if you have hair thinning problem, then it will give you results, but it will not come overnight, over week, over 2 week, over 3 weeks. It will take lots of time, like approx we can say 6 weeks is the minimum time period, and it can maybe take like approx you can 12 weeks also. Okay, or 24 weeks also. It depends on person to person hair condition. Okay, so these are the information. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. If you have any experience regarding your treatment, you can cycle, then you can also share your experience. Your experience is a real review. Okay, so bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.